Hello, beauties. I'm Soraida Serrano from Perfume House. We are the creators of Unstoppable, so I invite you to live this fragrance. Really, this is a very unique and a new launch. You have here a fragrance created around all the emotions that talks about the experience, the legacy of these 70 years of JAFRA. This is very special because it talks about the passion, the efforts that you are proud of building all this legacy all the way around. So we have here a fragrance that opens with a rhubarb note that it's very vibrant, clean, fresh, and then you go to this very special soul of the fragrance and the signature, very unique, that is Turkish rose. The Turkish rose gives this very feminine, elegant, enveloping tonality to the fragrance, and then you go to the white musk. The white musk is enveloping the whole creation. It gives you more residuality, lasting, and a very unique and elevates the signature. So please enjoy this fragrance and be unstoppable.